How to fix WhatsApp icon not showing. So if you don't find your WhatsApp icon, like I have this WhatsApp icon right on the bottom right, so if you don't find that app, then the first thing you need to check is open up your Play Store, and then you can go for the upper right corner which has your profile, and you can go for manage apps and device, and now go for manage, which is on the right side. And here you will have all of your apps that you have installed on your device. So the thing you need to do is you have to check that if you have downloaded WhatsApp or not. So if you don't find WhatsApp here on this list, then you have not downloaded WhatsApp on your mobile. So you have to go back and you have to search for WhatsApp. And after searching, now if you have an install option here, then you can simply tap on install, and you can install the application. But if you don't have an install option, and if you have an open option, and if you don't find WhatsApp, then you can open up your settings and then go for apps and notifications and tap on see all apps, and here you have to search for WhatsApp. And after tapping on WhatsApp, now you will have an uninstall option here. You can simply tap on uninstall, and you can tap on OK, but you can also tap on this box. Like if you want to keep the data of your WhatsApp, then you can tap on that. But if you don't want to keep it, then untap it and tap on OK. And after uninstalling, you can again install your application from your Google Play Store. And after installing, you will find that WhatsApp icon after that. So that's it. That's how you fix your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.